There is an Easter egg in this video. Hopefully you guys will find it. Somebody will find it. And receive another Amazon gift card. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to show you how to convert a working operating system into a virtual machine. Now, you need to download a program that is called this VM Converter English, if that's what you choose. 6.2, the rest of the number is here. You need to download that from VM's website, okay? You can select the version that you want, and this is it, vCenter Converter Standalone, okay? And then you double click this and run the application, and this will convert my current workstation, the 1950X, the whole operating system, into a virtual machine, which is useful because if you want to do some testing on software and whatnot, you don't want to do it on the primary, you want to do it on your secondary or your virtual environment, you can do that. And then we're going to be running VMware Workstation Professional, this, and we're going to load it up on this. I'll show you how that's done. File, new, remote, this local machine, next. So we make a new folder and call this VMs. Next. Next. I'm leaving this all as is. Okay, so it's creating the VMX file. And it should be ripping along because that is an external RAID array. There it goes, it's working. Alright, so we will come back to this. So let's just verify that it's actually working. Let's see, drive O, VMS, video editing, and here are all the files it's created so far for my video editing machine. And we'll be able to load up this virtual environment in the VMware Workstation Professional software. And that'd be kind of cool. We're going to go running the same system on top of itself. That's wacky, actually. All right, moving right along. We're at 35%. I'm not going to do this again until we're done. All right, so we have finished. So let's just go to Drive O, VMS, video editing. And here's all the necessary files that we've converted for this machine. So we're actually on that drive, video editing. And here it is. Now I've reconfigured it so it's 8 megs of memory, 4 processes, and these are the physical drives. So when it actually imaged the drive itself, the whole computer, it actually imaged every drive that's associated with the machine. So that's one, that's the other. So I have 3 of them. And I have quite a bit of network adapters. Now I remember this is a virtual machine already, so it's kind of duplicating a bunch of things all at once. So this is a interesting test, but something that you probably wouldn't want to do because this already has VM Workstation on it, and it's actually duplicating the bridged adapters, which I only have 2 of, and it's doubling them up virtually, if that makes any sense. It's kind of silly, but anyway, this is it. And we hit OK. So then this will be an 8 CPU system, and we simply just hit play, and that's it. Watch what happens. And it's powering up. Now, this system that was powering up is the machine that we're actually on. Okay, so we created a virtual environment of the actual workstation that I'm on right now. It's like It's so weird. But I wanted to demonstrate something, so that's why I did this. There is an Easter egg in this video. Hopefully you guys will find it. Somebody will find it. And receive another Amazon gift card. And we are booting off of a Type-C external RAID array, actually mirrored, RAID 1, 2 terabyte hard drives in RAID 1. There we go. So we have about 13 gigs of memory, 8 cores. So anyway, guys, this is how it is done. This is really mainly for servers and stuff like that. So if you want to virtualize your servers and put them on a big monster box and virtualize, you know, domain controllers, file servers, that kind of stuff. You don't do SQL or Exchange. It's not recommended, but this is it. So if you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.